Hi guys, my name is Teju and I welcome you to the new creation studio. First of all, I want to thank all of my subscribers and viewers for admiring my work here on YouTube. And I'm really very sorry for not to upload video tutorials for last 6 months as I was very busy with my senior secondary examination. Now all of my examinations are over and from now on I have made a decision to upload regular content on my channel. So before going ahead, let me briefly tell you about myself. As you can read on your computer screens, my name is Tajinder Singh Sandhu and I am from Yamunanagar, Haryana, India. I am a self-taught freelancer graphic designer and I have been learning graphic design, video editing and animation through internet for last 3 years. And in that meantime, with a lot of practice, I have gained decent proficiency in Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and right now I'm working on Blender 3D. Now you all know about my skills and potential, so let me just know in the comment box that what sort of content you would like to see on New Creation Studio. I will definitely try to cover your ideas and clarify your doubts in my upcoming videos. So let's cut that chit chat and see what we are gonna create today. Here you can see a picture on your computer screen, little girl sailing a boat. That's what we are gonna create today. Don't worry about the stock photos as I have provided a direct link to the photos in the pinned comment below, and I will upload that video in 2 parts because my internet is not that much powerful to upload a larger video in single try. Sorry for bothering you with lots of information. Let's start creating something new. Okay guys, so first of all you have to create a document. The dimension or the size of the document doesn't matter at all. You can choose any size according to your preference. Now click OK to create a document. Now copy that background photo and paste it on our recently created document. And instead of copy and pasting, you can even go to your Window Explorer or the Mac Finder and then drag those files into the Photoshop directly. Convert to Smart Object. Now press Ctrl T to bring transformation tool and then scale it down. Now place it in a suitable position. Now copy that big tide layer and paste it upon your background layer. And never forget to convert your pictures into Smart Object if you don't want your pictures to get pixelated. Press Ctrl T to bring transformation tool and then scale it down. Now put these layers into the relative groups, and this is the very essential step in order to master the art of photo manipulation. Now apply a layer mask onto the wave layer and select your round brush and start masking. First select your background layer, then select lasso tool and select that area. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate that area. I just want to make that water a little symmetrical as it is not looking symmetrical because one side has lots of foam and other side does not have. So that is why I need to copy and paste that foamy part to the other side of the photo. Press E to select your eraser tool to erase the sharpness of that edges. Now press Ctrl L to bring up your levels and tweak it a little to adjust the brightness level of your picture. Try to match the flow of the water, otherwise your picture would not look real. Now apply a curve adjustment layer upon that background layer and tweak it according to me because we are gonna change the colors of that ocean. As you can see now, we have successfully changed the color of the ocean, and the color of the ocean is now pretty much similar to the color of the big wave. Now activate your crop tool to extend the size of your document, and I am extending the size of the document just to place my sky onto it. As you can notice that our wave is looking very much linear, and I don't want it to be look linear. So I'm gonna use my transformation tool to make it a little organic. Press Ctrl T and wrap it. Now it is looking pretty much fine. Now copy your sky image and paste it into the document. You don't have to work with the gradient unless you have a linear wave. After applying that gradient onto my layer mask, I felt that it won't work because my wave is a little organic. So that is why I choose to go with the brush tool. Now here we have lost our splashes over the edge of the wave, but we will repaint it by using our brush tool, so don't worry about it. And I think it's fine. Now apply a curve adjustment layer upon it and clip it to the sky layer. By using that curve adjustment layer, make some little adjustment in the colors and brightness of that image. Now copy your bot layer, paste onto it. Convert to smart object. Scale it down. Now we need to cut it out from the background. You can use any selection tool according to your comfort, but I'm gonna select it by using the pen tool. After making a neat selection, just click on that layer mask button in your layer panel. Scale it down a little and place it just right here. Now select your layer mask, and by using your lasso tool, just make a rough selection and fill that selection with the black color. Now open your little girl's image in the Photoshop. And group it. Press Ctrl T to bring your transformation tool. Scale it down. Now make a very neat selection. Scale it down. Make sure that little girl is not looking larger than the size of the bot. Press enter to confirm your transformation. Now select your layer mask, and by using the brush tool, just mask that unnecessary part of the layer. You can decrease down the opacity for a clean masking. Now increase the opacity of the layer to check that whether you have masked everything correctly or not. Now this part has to be masked. Now copy that dog's image and paste it in our document. Now make a very neat selection. Scale it down, rotate it a little. It's not looking good here, I think. Mask the legs of the dog. Now overall image is looking very good. Now create a new group and name it water splashes. We are gonna create a water splashes around the bot so that it would look real. Before using the brushes, I thought that I should go with the PNG files of the water splashes, but I did not get the quite satisfactory results. So I thought that I should try some brushes, and the result by using the brushes was quite good for me. In the stroke folder that I have provided to you, you will have a brush pack too. So now go and use that brush pack to make neat water splashes around your bot, because I'm gonna speed that process up. So guys, that's it for today. If you liked my endeavor to upload my video with my voiceover, then do like this video and share it with your friends. Also, I am open to suggestions. Let me know in the comment box that what would you like to see in my upcoming videos. I'll see you with the second part on 13th of April. Till then, take care and keep creating.